A record number of people experiencing homelessness. Recent HUD data shows a large bump up to 653,000 people. The shocking part is that this is higher than the financial crisis way back in 2008. Now, some of this is due to population growth, but the majority is caused by the massive increase in rent over the past few years. As we can see, the problem is highly concentrated in high-rent states. One of the poorest states in America, Mississippi, has the lowest percent of homelessness. So, how do we fix it? Number one, build more market-rate housing. That will lower rents for all, but it won't be enough. I'm with Dr. Casey Bolt, a fellow economist who is the executive director of Sojourners Alliance, a nonprofit homelessness organization in Moscow, Idaho. They do a lot, such as transitional housing, where folks live on site for a few months, while the nonprofit helps navigate government assistance and/or the paperwork for the private housing market. This can lead to stable housing, such as Section 8, which was established in 1937 as a response to the Great Depression. This is an agreement between a private landlord, tenant, and housing vouchers from the government. The Alliance participates in permanent supportive housing. This is where the nonprofit is the leaseholder, tenants only pay in income-adjusted rent, and receive case management support. They also do prevention. When a person is experiencing financial difficulties, they can reach out to Sojourners Alliance to get temporary rent support to avoid experiencing homelessness in the first place.
We are participating in the Avenues for Hope Housing Challenge fundraiser, supporting housing nonprofits in the state of Idaho. This is our biggest fundraiser of the year and is essential to making our budget work. As part of this fundraiser, there's a prize for having 12 unique donations of $25 or more from donors in 12 different states. This is usually a difficult challenge for us to meet, so I asked my friend, Econ Chris Clark, to help me and reach out. Follow the link in the bio and donate by December 31st. We would appreciate your support, and the money goes directly toward housing people.